Mercedes Me Connect services are the next level of connectivity for your Mercedes-Benz. With Connect services, you can control many aspects of your vehicle, all from your smartphone. Remotely lock and unlock the doors. Start the engine. Check tire pressure, fuel levels, information on your last journey, and more. Connect services can also help you plan a trip, look up points of interest, and determine the best departure time, all while you're away from the vehicle. With Mercedes Me Connect vehicle monitoring services, owners will have a greater sense of security. Pinpoint your vehicle's location in a parking lot and calculate the fastest walking route to it. Use the geofencing feature to monitor the vehicle if, for example, a family member or valet is driving it. A notification on your phone will tell you if the vehicle leaves the predefined geofenced area. Not only can Mercedes Me Connect help you stay in touch with your vehicle remotely, it also makes the most of the onboard navigation system. Get dynamic route guidance and more accurate estimated time of arrival. Receive information about potential road hazards ahead with Car-to-X communication. You can now receive map updates to your navigation system over the air. For an extra touch of luxury, Mercedes Me Connect offers Concierge services. Upon initial activation, Concierge services are included for 1 year in select models. Speak with a Mercedes-Benz Concierge for personal one-on-one support. Premium call center agents can help with virtually anything, from booking a restaurant reservation to helping you find a point of interest. Mercedes Me Connect even allows the concierge to send a point of interest directly to the vehicle, making the whole process hands-free. And lastly, Connect Services offers in-car Wi-Fi, which allows for up to 8 connections for you and your passengers' mobile devices. With Mercedes Me Connect services, you've never been more connected to your Mercedes-Benz with the luxury and ease you've come to expect.